Have you ever tried to introduce yourself in English, but your mind suddenly went blank?
Yes, I know simple words, but when I speak, I feel slow. I translate every word in my head.
That is very common. The problem is not you. The problem is word by word speaking.
So, what should I do?
Use English chunks. A chunk is a natural group of words. You do not need to build every sentence from zero.
That sounds easier.
Today, you will learn 5 simple chunks to introduce yourself naturally. Today's goal is simple. After this lesson, you can say who you are, where you are from, what you do, what you like, and greet someone politely.
So I can introduce myself in a meeting, class, or online call?
Exactly. You will learn only 5 chunks, so it is easy to remember.
Great. What are the 5 chunks?
Number 1, my name is. Number 2, I'm from. Number 3, I work as. Number 4, I'm interested in. Number 5, nice to meet you.
These sound simple, but I want to say them naturally.
That is the goal. Simple, natural, and useful. Imagine this situation. Lena joins an online English class for the first time.
I see new people on the screen. The teacher asks, "Can you introduce yourself?"
Many learners panic at this moment.
Yes, I might say, "I am Lena. I from Cambodia. I work web developer."
The meaning is clear, but it does not sound natural.
So I need ready-made chunks.
Correct. With chunks, you can say, my name is Lena, I'm from Cambodia, I work as a web developer, I'm interested in English and technology, nice to meet you.
That sounds much better.
Chunk 1, my name is.
My name is Lena.
Good. This chunk means you are telling someone your name.
When should I use it?
Use it in formal or polite situations like a meeting, interview, class, or presentation.
What is a common mistake?
Some learners say, my name Lena. That is missing is.
So the better sentence is, my name is Lena.
Exactly. You can also say, hi, my name is Lena. That sounds friendly and natural. Chunk 2, I'm from.
I'm from Cambodia.
Great. This chunk tells people your country, city, or hometown.
Can I say, I'm come from Cambodia?
Be careful. That is a common mistake. Do not say, I'm come from. Say, I'm from Cambodia, or I come from Cambodia.
So, I'm from is easier.
Yes, it is short and very natural. For example, I'm from Phnom Penh, or I'm from a small town near Siem Reap.
I like that. It feels easy.
Chunk 3, I work as.
I work as a teacher.
Perfect. This chunk tells someone your job or role.
Can I say, I work developer?
Almost. You need a before many job names. Say, I work as a developer.
I work as a developer.
Very good. You can also say, I work as a designer. I work as a cashier. Or I work as an accountant.
What if I am a student?
Then you can say, I'm a student, or I study business. But today, our chunk is, I work as. Chunk 4, I'm interested in.
I'm interested in English.
Nice. This chunk tells people what you like or want to learn more about.
Can I say, I'm interesting in English?
That is a very common mistake. I'm interested in English means I like English. I'm interesting means I am an interesting person.
Ah, so for my hobby or interest, I should say, I'm interested in.
Correct. For example, I'm interested in music. I'm interested in technology. Or I'm interested in learning English.
I'm interested in speaking English naturally.
Excellent sentence.
Chunk 5, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
This is a polite phrase after you meet someone for the first time.
When do I say it?
Say it at the beginning or end of a short introduction.
What is a common mistake?
Some learners say, "Nice to meet with you." In natural English, just say, "Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you.
Good. You can also say, "It's nice to meet you," but "nice to meet you" is shorter and very common. Now let's practice a short dialogue. Listen first.
Okay, I will try to introduce myself naturally.
Hi, welcome to the class. Can you introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Lena. I'm from Cambodia. I work as a junior designer, and I'm interested in improving my English speaking. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lena. That was very clear and natural.
Thank you. It felt easier because I used chunks.
Exactly. You did not translate word by word. You used natural English blocks.
Can I use the same structure in a job interview?
Yes, just change the details. For example, my name is Alex. I'm from Canada. I work as an English teacher. I'm interested in helping learners speak naturally. Nice to meet you. Now it is time for shadowing practice. Repeat after me. First, slow speed. My name is Alex.
My name is Lena.
I'm from Canada.
I'm from Cambodia.
I work as an English teacher.
I work as a designer.
I'm interested in learning languages.
I'm interested in improving my English.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Great. Now normal speed. Repeat after me. My name is Alex. I'm from Canada.
My name is Lena. I'm from Cambodia.
I work as an English teacher. I'm interested in helping learners.
I work as a designer. I'm interested in speaking English naturally.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Now natural speed. Listen and repeat. Hi, my name is Alex. I'm from Canada. I work as an English teacher, and I'm interested in helping learners speak naturally. Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Lena. I'm from Cambodia. I work as a designer, and I'm interested in improving my English. Nice to meet you.
Now let's do a substitution drill. This means you keep the chunk but change one part.
So I can reuse the same sentence with different words.
Exactly. My name is plus your name. My name is Alex. My name is Lena. My name is Dara.
I'm from plus place. I'm from Cambodia. I'm from Phnom Penh. I'm from Vietnam.
Good. I work as plus job. I work as a teacher. I work as a developer. I work as a designer.
I'm interested in plus topic. I'm interested in English. I'm interested in business. I'm interested in technology.
Nice to meet you stays the same. It is already a complete natural phrase.
Nice to meet you.
Excellent. Now you can build many introductions with only 5 chunks. Now it is your mini challenge.
Write your own short introduction in the comments.
Use this pattern. My name is, I'm from, I work as, I'm interested in, nice to meet you.
You can also speak it out loud 3 times.
First, slowly, then normal speed, then natural speed.
This will help your mouth remember the chunks.
Great job today. You learned 5 natural chunks for introducing yourself.
My name is, I'm from, I work as, I'm interested in, nice to meet you.
Subscribe to FluentMindee to learn English in natural chunks.
See you in the next lesson. Nice to meet you and happy learning.